Environment Studies, Class 3, Lesson 15, A Tour to Shri Amritsar Sahib. Hello children. In this chapter you have learnt about means of transport till now. Children, today we will learn about a scene at the railway station through the conversation of Sukhvinder and Aman. So let's continue. What did you do after reaching the railway station?
There was a great rush at the railway station. Some people were taking tea at the stalls. Some of them were having breakfast. A newspaper hawker was selling newspapers. There was a great hustle and bustle. There was a special arrangement of wheelchair for the handicaps.
When did the train arrive?
The train arrived at right time. We took seats. The train was very neat and clean from inside.
I am too eager. Tell me more. What happened next?
Yes, on the way, we saw many fields and vehicles. We looked outside as if the trees were running behind. The farmers were plowing the fields. One farmer was driving a bullock cart. Milkmen were going to city carrying their milk pots on their cycles. We reached Amritsar railway station at 11:30 a.m.
So children, this was the conversation between Sukhvinder and Aman about the scene at the railway station, or we can say what all things Aman saw at the railway station. Children, now we will make a list of persons who work at the railway station. One side we'll write their designation and on the other side we will write what work they do. First person is security person. He protects the passengers. Next, TC, ticket checker. He checks tickets. Coolie carries passengers' luggage. Cleaners cleans the railway tracks, platforms and trains. Guard gives signal to the driver of the train. Now, note down your homework. Ask from your grandparents what means of transport had been used by them when they were young.